Hi, I'm Brendan Williams. I'm the founder and chief executive of Building Heroes. Building Heroes is a charity which was put together to create a pathway into construction for service leavers and veterans. We run a program in conjunction with further education colleges and in particular with Reaseheath College that delivers a level 1 diploma in basic construction skills. But what it really does is give veterans and service leavers an introduction to the construction industry.
I can't tell you how much you bring to Reaseheath College as students. I know it's a completely different change for you in this setting, and I appreciate that, but the way you conduct yourselves whilst you're on this course is a credit to the construction department, and you need to understand that you bring so much to this college and for our department.
My name's Simon Mears. I've just graduated on a 5-week Building Heroes course.
Hi, I'm Steve Reed. I left the Royal Signals after 23 years of service in June this year. I decided to come on the Building Heroes course to further my construction skills and give me a pathway into the construction industry.
What we're really trying to do is to create an opportunity that gives the veterans a chance to change into a second career, to create a new opportunity for them in the building trades.
I'm hoping to set up self-employed doing property maintenance.
I'm looking to hopefully go into landscaping, my own business, and the construction side of what we've learned has been absolutely excellent towards that. I'm looking forward to now building on what I've learned for the last 5 weeks.
A highlight of the course has been working with Daryl. He's an exceptional instructor who's very experienced, many years in the industry, and to work with him and to have his skills passed on to us has been a privilege.
I can see there's a lot of joy and humour in the room, which means you've done exactly what I want you to do and what I want everybody to do when they do a Building Heroes course, which is come, learn and enjoy.